Welcome to the fascinating world of web content mining. In today's digital age, the internet is overflowing with information, from news articles and blog posts to product reviews and social media updates. But how do we make sense of this massive sea of data? That's where web content mining comes in. It's the process of automatically extracting useful information from the vast content available on the web. Whether you're a business analyst, a researcher, or just curious about data, understanding web content mining opens up a world of possibilities. Let's dive in and explore how this technology is transforming the way we interact with online information. Web content mining is all about discovering patterns, trends, and valuable insights from the content found on websites. Unlike traditional data mining, which often deals with structured databases, web content mining focuses on unstructured or semi-structured data like text, images, and videos. By using advanced algorithms and tools, we can automatically collect, process, and analyze this information to uncover hidden gems. This process is essential for businesses looking to understand customer sentiment, researchers tracking trends, or anyone wanting to make data-driven decisions. Importance of web content mining can't be overstated. With billions of web pages available, manually sifting through information is simply impossible. Web content mining automates this process, saving time and resources. It helps organizations stay competitive by providing real-time insights into market trends, customer preferences, and emerging topics. For individuals, it means access to more relevant and personalized information. In short, web content mining turns the overwhelming chaos of the internet into actionable knowledge. Web content comes in many forms, and web content mining can handle them all. The most common types include text, such as articles and blog posts, images like photos and infographics, and multimedia content such as videos and podcasts. Each type presents unique challenges and opportunities for mining. For example, text mining might focus on sentiment analysis, while image mining could involve object recognition. Understanding the diversity of web content is the first step to effective mining. Text mining is a core part of web content mining. It involves extracting meaningful information from large volumes of text found on websites. Techniques like natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning are used to analyze text, identify patterns, and even understand sentiment. For example, businesses can use text mining to monitor customer reviews and gauge public opinion about their products. Researchers might analyze news articles to track the spread of information. The possibilities are endless when it comes to mining text data. Image mining is another exciting area within web content mining. With the explosion of visual content online, extracting insights from images is more important than ever. Image mining uses computer vision and pattern recognition techniques to identify objects, faces, or even emotions in pictures. This technology is widely used in social media monitoring, e-commerce, and digital marketing. For instance, brands can track how their products are being displayed and discussed visually across the web. Beyond text and images, web content mining also extends to multimedia content like videos and audio files. Mining multimedia involves extracting information such as spoken words, visual elements, and even background music. This is particularly useful for platforms like YouTube or podcasts, where valuable insights can be gained from analyzing content trends, viewer engagement, and more. Multimedia mining opens up new avenues for understanding how people interact with digital content. How does web content mining actually work? The process typically starts with web crawling, where automated bots scan websites and collect data. Next comes data extraction, where relevant information is pulled from the raw content. This data is then cleaned and organized, making it ready for analysis. Finally, advanced algorithms are applied to uncover patterns, trends, and actionable insights. Each step is crucial for turning unstructured web content into valuable knowledge. Web crawling is the first step in web content mining. It involves using automated programs, often called spiders or bots, to systematically browse the internet and gather data from web pages. These crawlers follow links from one page to another, collecting information along the way. The data they collect forms the foundation for further mining and analysis. Without web crawling, it would be impossible to access the vast amount of content available online. Once the data is collected, the next step is extraction. Data extraction involves identifying and pulling out the most relevant pieces of information from the raw web content. This could mean extracting product prices from e-commerce sites, headlines from news portals, or user comments from forums. Techniques like regular expressions, HTML parsing, and machine learning are commonly used. Effective extraction ensures that only useful data moves forward for analysis. Raw data from the web is often messy and inconsistent. Data cleaning and preparation are essential steps to ensure accuracy and reliability. This process involves removing duplicates, correcting errors, and standardizing formats. Clean data is easier to analyze and leads to more accurate insights. Whether you're dealing with text, images, or multimedia, proper preparation is the key to successful web content mining. After cleaning and organizing the data, it's time for analysis. This is where the real magic happens. Using statistical methods, machine learning, and visualization tools, analysts can uncover patterns, trends, and correlations. For example, you might discover which topics are trending on social media or which products are getting the most positive reviews. Analysis turns raw data into actionable insights that drive decision-making. Content mining has a wide range of applications in the business world. Companies use it to monitor brand reputation, analyze customer feedback, and track competitors. By mining online reviews, social media posts, and news articles, businesses can gain valuable insights into market trends and consumer preferences. This information helps them make informed decisions, improve products, and stay ahead of the competition. Researchers and academics also benefit greatly from web content mining. It allows them to collect and analyze large volumes of data for studies in fields like social sciences, linguistics, and public health. For example, researchers might mine news articles to study the spread of misinformation or analyze social media posts to track public sentiment during major events. The ability to process vast amounts of online content opens up new possibilities for scientific discovery. The world of e-commerce and digital marketing, web content mining is a game changer. Online retailers use it to analyze customer reviews, monitor competitor pricing, and optimize product listings. Marketers mine social media and blogs to identify influencers and track campaign performance. By leveraging insights from web content, businesses can tailor their strategies, improve customer engagement, and boost sales. Social media platforms are treasure troves of information. Web content mining tools can analyze posts, comments, and hashtags to uncover trends, measure sentiment, and identify key influencers. Brands use social media mining to monitor public perception, respond to customer concerns, and engage with their audience in real time. This dynamic approach helps organizations stay connected and relevant in a fast-paced digital world. Sentiment analysis is a powerful application of web content mining. By analyzing the tone and emotion behind online content, businesses and researchers can gauge public opinion about products, services, or events. This technique uses natural language processing to classify content as positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis is widely used in marketing, politics, and customer service to understand how people feel and respond accordingly. Detecting trends is another key benefit of web content mining. By continuously monitoring online content, organizations can spot emerging topics, track changes in public interest, and anticipate market shifts. Trend detection helps businesses stay agile and responsive, allowing them to capitalize on new opportunities or address potential challenges before they escalate. Web content mining is invaluable for competitor analysis. By mining competitors' websites, product listings, and customer reviews, businesses can gain insights into their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. This information helps companies refine their own offerings, identify gaps in the market, and develop more effective marketing campaigns. Staying informed about the competition is crucial for long-term success. Despite its many benefits, web content mining comes with its own set of challenges. The sheer volume and variety of online content can make data collection and analysis complex. Issues like duplicate content, inconsistent formats, and rapidly changing web pages require robust solutions. Additionally, ethical and legal considerations such as respecting copyright and user privacy must always be taken into account. One of the biggest hurdles in web content mining is dealing with unstructured data. Unlike structured databases, web content often lacks a consistent format. Text, images, and multimedia are presented in countless ways, making extraction and analysis challenging. Advanced algorithms and machine learning models are essential for making sense of this unstructured information and turning it into usable insights. Scalability is a major concern in web content mining. As the volume of online content grows, mining tools must be able to handle larger datasets efficiently. This requires powerful hardware, optimized algorithms, and sometimes distributed computing solutions. Ensuring scalability is key to maintaining performance and accuracy as data demands increase. Ethics play a crucial role in web content mining. It's important to respect copyright laws, user privacy, and terms of service when collecting and analyzing online data. Organizations must ensure that their mining activities are transparent and compliant with regulations. Ethical web content mining builds trust with users and protects both individuals and companies from legal risks. Legal challenges are another important aspect to consider. Different countries have varying laws regarding data collection, copyright, and privacy. Organizations must stay informed about relevant regulations and adapt their mining practices accordingly. Failure to comply with legal requirements can result in penalties and damage to reputation. Staying on the right side of the law is essential for sustainable web content mining. A variety of tools are available for web content mining, ranging from open-source libraries to commercial platforms. Popular tools include Scrapy, Beautiful Soup, and Apache Nutch for web crawling and extraction. For analysis, tools like Python's NLTK and SpaSci are widely used. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs, technical skills, and the scale of your project. Open-source solutions are popular in the web content mining community. Tools like Scrapy and Beautiful Soup offer powerful features for web crawling and data extraction, all without licensing fees. These tools are highly customizable and supported by active communities, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced developers. Open-source options provide flexibility and cost savings for a wide range of projects. For larger organizations or complex projects, commercial web content mining platforms offer advanced features and dedicated support. These platforms often include user-friendly interfaces, scalable infrastructure, and integration with other business tools. While they come at a cost, commercial solutions can save time and provide peace of mind with professional support and regular updates. Machine learning plays a pivotal role in web content mining. By training algorithms on large datasets, machine learning models can automatically classify content, detect patterns, and even predict future trends. This technology enables more accurate and efficient analysis, especially when dealing with unstructured data. Machine learning is at the heart of many modern web content mining solutions. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand and interpret human language. In web content mining, NLP is used to analyze text, extract key information, and even understand sentiment. Techniques like tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and named entity recognition are commonly used. NLP makes it possible to process and analyze massive amounts of text data efficiently. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is increasingly used in web content mining for tasks like image recognition and language understanding. Deep neural networks can process complex data and identify subtle patterns that traditional algorithms might miss. This leads to more accurate results, especially when analyzing images, audio, or large volumes of text. Deep learning is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in web content mining. Visualizing the results of web content mining makes it easier to understand and communicate insights. Charts, graphs, and dashboards help turn complex data into clear, actionable information. Visualization tools can highlight trends, compare metrics, and reveal patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Effective visualization is a key part of the data analysis process. Automation is transforming web content mining by making it faster and more efficient. Automated tools can crawl websites, extract data, and perform analysis with minimal human intervention. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of errors. Automation allows organizations to scale their mining efforts and respond quickly to new data and trends. Real-time web content mining enables organizations to monitor and analyze online content as it happens. This is especially valuable for tracking breaking news, monitoring social media, or responding to customer feedback instantly. Real-time mining requires robust infrastructure and efficient algorithms, but the benefits include faster decision-making and improved responsiveness. Web content mining powers personalization and recommendation systems across the internet. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, these systems can suggest relevant articles, products, or videos. Personalization enhances user experience and increases engagement, making it a valuable tool for businesses and content creators alike. Fraud detection is a critical application of web content mining, especially in sectors like finance and e-commerce. By analyzing transaction data, user behavior, and online content, mining tools can identify suspicious patterns and flag potential fraud. Early detection helps organizations prevent losses and protect their customers. In healthcare, web content mining is used to track disease outbreaks, monitor public health trends, and analyze patient feedback. By mining news articles, social media, and medical forums, researchers can identify emerging health issues and respond more effectively. This technology supports better decision-making and improves public health outcomes. Governments use web content mining to analyze public opinion, monitor policy discussions, and track the spread of information. By mining news sites, blogs, and social media, policymakers can gain insights into citizen concerns and emerging issues. This helps inform policy decisions and improve communication with the public. Future of web content mining is bright, with new technologies and techniques emerging all the time. Advances in artificial intelligence, deep learning, and big data analytics are making mining faster, more accurate, and more accessible. As the internet continues to grow, web content mining will play an increasingly important role in how we understand and interact with online information. Big data is closely linked to web content mining. The vast amount of information generated online every day requires powerful tools and techniques to process and analyze. Big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark enable organizations to mine and analyze web content at scale, unlocking new insights and opportunities. Cloud computing is revolutionizing web content mining by providing scalable, on-demand resources. With cloud platforms, organizations can process large volumes of data without investing in expensive hardware. Cloud-based mining solutions offer flexibility, scalability, and cost savings, making them ideal for projects of all sizes. Web content mining doesn't operate in isolation. It's often integrated with other business systems like customer relationship management, CRM, marketing automation, and business intelligence platforms. Integration ensures that insights from web content mining are seamlessly incorporated into decision-making processes across the organization. User experience is a key consideration in web content mining tools. Intuitive interfaces, clear visualizations, and easy-to-use features make mining accessible to a wider audience. Usability improvements help users get the most out of mining tools regardless of their technical background. Security is essential when mining web content, especially when dealing with sensitive or proprietary information. Organizations must implement robust security measures to protect data during collection, storage, and analysis. This includes encryption, access controls, and regular security audits to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Web content mining is an evolving field, with new challenges and opportunities emerging all the time. Continuous improvement is essential for staying ahead. This means regularly updating tools, refining algorithms, and staying informed about the latest trends and best practices. Organizations that prioritize continuous improvement are better positioned to succeed in the fast-changing digital landscape. Sum up, web content mining is a powerful tool for unlocking the value hidden in online information. From business intelligence to academic research, its applications are vast and growing. As technology advances, web content mining will become even more integral to how we understand and use the internet. By embracing this technology and staying informed about best practices, individuals and organizations can harness the full potential of the web.